I've got 11 different kinds of drink videos that will sort out your holiday. Make sure before you see this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Welcome to our Kenchuto channel. Christmas may be already around the air and then you must be enjoying your holidays and planning something with your family to enjoy. Obviously, when you feel about Christmas, you always see you gather with family and then eat or drinks, different kinds of food, drinks. So this video will definitely sort out your drink option. So I've got 11 videos, as I said, 11 different drinks for you. So this will sort out for your kids, either for the adults. So definitely watch this out and enjoy your drink with the family. I hope some of our drink will definitely brighten your holiday. Merry Christmas everyone, and enjoy your holiday with your lovable ones. Have a break, have a Kit Kat milkshake. Cut Kit Kat in fine pieces, crumbled. Chocolate on the side of the glass. Decorate with our crumbled Kit Kat. Just swirl it around, get it as much as Kit Kat you can get in the chocolate. Now time to put it in a freezer. While the glass is freezing, let's make milkshake. Some scoop of ice cream, vanilla flavor, milk, Kit Kat, blend, chocolate, milkshake, perfect drink to start your holiday now. Orange. Make some slices of orange.
Little bit of mint. Cross with the hammer, not with the top, just the bottom. Tablespoon of honey, just raw. 80 ml of brandy, Queensland. A warm water. Hot. Stir gently. Just garnish with some cinnamon and a bit of mint.
Alright, let's do this. Okay, let's give an honest review. Surprisingly, it's really good. Definitely give it a try at home. You would love it. Perfect iced coffee for your morning. Hot toddy. Warm it up with hot water for 20 seconds. After discarding water, add 2 ounces of whiskey, ½ ounce lemon, ½ ounce honey syrup. Time to add hot water. Fill it up to the top. Let's decorate with cinnamon stick and slice of lemon. It's ready to drink. Smoothie for your weight loss journey. Banana, pineapple, mango, milk. Now blend. Now let's decorate. Some mango on the top, and it's ready to drink. That's your detox drink. Lemonade. Of course, you need lemon for lemonade. So cut the 3 lemons in half. Squeeze those lemons as much as you could. Now do the first and the 2 cups filter. With a secret, grate lemon powder. Fill the jar with ice cube and add that lemon juice in it. Time to add that boiled mixture in it. Get a glass, add an ice cube in it. Now pour that prepared drink in that glass. Fill it up to the top. And there you go, perfect summer drink for you, a homemade lemon. Strawberry mojito for you. Some mint. I know it looks crazy, but it gets a good aroma in if we do clap. Strawberry, some honey for your honey. Lemon or lime. Frost the strawberry but not the heart. Some ice. For some Sprite to add on. Woohoo! To decorate. Make your loved one happy. Now mix. It's ready to drink. Amazing.